we got some exciting news with Dogecoin because the Dogecoin bear, someone who thinks Dogecoin is going to tank, actually came out and said he definitely wouldn't short Dogecoin because it could easily skyrocket, easily reach $1 per coin, easily go even higher than that from where it is right now. And if you enjoy videos on Dogecoin, you like investment content, videos on crypto, finance, stock market, please be sure to like the video down below. Let's try and get this video to 1000 likes. But Dogecoin bear Novogratz, he is the CEO and founder of investment firm called Galaxy Digital Holdings. He came out the other day in an interview. He said, I would not short Dogecoin because it is very dangerous to do because what it's looking like, it's looking very similar to what GameStop did just a couple of months ago. He said he wouldn't own a long position, but it wouldn't short it because there's just way too much risk and it could easily skyrocket from where it is right now. And I think this is a great sign for Dogecoin because it shows that you will know people who are like, yeah, maybe Dogecoin isn't going to do some well. Now they are like, whoa, this could really go even higher. We're seeing more and more retailers, businesses, and professional sports teams. They're all starting to accept Dogecoin. And as we start to see more and more, even if they're just doing it for marketing purposes, more and more people are starting to add Dogecoin to the crypto wallet. More and more people are noticing Dogecoin and starting to put more and more money into it. So right now it's mimicking very much what GameStop did because Dogecoin has caused many outages in Robinhood over the last couple of days. As Dogecoin price has skyrocketed, interest in buying Dogecoin has skyrocketed as well. They're seeing the exact same outages that we saw with GameStop just a couple of months ago. According to Robinhood, they said that interest in Dogecoin has exploded over the last couple of days. Its price has skyrocketed, it's trending on Twitter, and right now this is the exact same thing that happened with GameStop. A lot of issues placing orders while it didn't limit the number of coins you can buy. It's very exciting actually to see that there are some of these major issues. While you know it's bad, these issues, the good thing is that it shows how much interest is in the Dogecoin, how much attention there is on it, and it's a great sign in my opinion that we are seeing people who are bearish on Dogecoin, people who don't think it's going to go high, they are actually saying I wouldn't short it because that means they don't have so much conviction in the price going down. They're actually thinking, while this was a joke, it's starting to become reality because businesses are starting to accept it. There's so much attention on it from retail investors that it would be too risky to short it, too risky to bet against it right now. That's what they are saying. They are saying it's too risky to bet against Dogecoin. A crypto shorting a stock is that means you're betting it's gonna go down. And even though it's skyrocketed, these people who are bearish on Dogecoin, like the CEO of this investment firm, he says, what, at this point, it's little too risky to bet against Dogecoin. He said, I'm not gonna invest in it, but it's too risky to bet against it. So either way, this is great news in my opinion for Dogecoin. There's more attention to it. People are investing in it so much and they want to invest in it so much that Robinhood is having outages. People who are bearish on Dogecoin are saying that Robinhood is having outages. People who are bearish on Dogecoin are saying, you know what? We're not going to bet against it because there are just too many people behind this. And if people start to short it, well then all these retail investors are probably going to step right in the same thing as GameStop because this thing to go to the moon. So either way, this is some bad news, some good news, but overall I think this is really great sign for Dogecoin moving forward. It shows how much interest, how much hype is around it, and I think this could easily drive the price of Dogecoin up to $1 per coin. There's so much interest, so much hype around it. All it's going to take at this point is a tweet from like Elon Musk, from Snoop Dogg, another business like maybe Amazon announcing that they accept Dogecoin as a form of payment. All it's going to take is one quick announcement like that and we'll see this thing go to the moon.